Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here, and today is the fourth part of my Extreme Clean series. If you haven't checked out the first 3 videos, make sure you go in there and check them out after this video. I am going to be posting cleaning motivation weekly, so as promised, here this is. We are going to be deep cleaning this bathroom. I mean, guys, it is disgusting and it needed to be scrubbed. I don't think this bathroom's ever gotten cleaned this good in its whole existence. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, please if you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me to be able to make more videos, and it helps me know that people are watching my content. Just let me know in the comments down below if you like the speed cleaning, because that is what you're gonna see today. So first, here we are just underneath the bathroom sink, and guys, I'm sorry, it is going to be really sloppy. You're going to see stuff in here. This has been piling up since we literally moved in. We just kind of throw everything down here, and it's just like a little hoarderville. But we just got that all straightened out, and now I'm about to clean and organize it. So right here, I'm just going to organize it so that the left basket is just going to be hair products, pharmacy products, whatever. And the right basket was going to be cleaning supplies, but I just had too many. So I just left the middle for the cleaning supplies and that right basket for my hair. So remember in my Dollar Tree haul, if you watch my Dollar Tree haul, if you haven't, go look at it, because I did a whole haul for what I use in this bathroom, pretty much. I mean, there's some stuff that was obviously not part of the haul, like the molds and mildew spray, but guys, don't even use it. It wasn't even working. But I bought that toilet bowl cleaner because I thought it was going to clean grout, but honestly did a really bad job on my account. So you're gonna see me struggling here. And finally, I just took the bleach. I don't usually like working with bleach because I always end up getting stains on my clothes, but here I am with no other option, so here it is. So here I'm just doing a little up close. If you guys notice, that is a huge difference when I let that bleach sit on that spot. I mean, the mold and mildew spray wasn't working, the toilet bowl cleaner didn't work, but bleach definitely did the job.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.
Alright, so now I'm just taking everything off my counter that I had put over there because I am now just putting everything back together. I organized my soaps according to where I wanted them, shampoos, conditioners, etc. And now we're just gonna move on to cleaning my vanity. One way we're going to remember 2020 is the fact that hand soap was no longer on the shelves. I mean, it's hard to find these days, guys, so I'm just using dish soap to refill my bottle.
Get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So guys, I've never got down on my hands and knees and scrubbed this floor, so I'm like so excited that I did it because the grout, I mean, you're not going to see it too much in the video, but after the video, when it dried, oh my gosh, what a difference. Definitely would suggest scrubbing your floors. I just use a little solution of Lysol concentrate and hot water, and I just went in with a Dollar Tree scrub and scrubbed those floors.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now
So honestly, guys, I kind of felt like I was lied to. I mean, I looked at so many videos of people using toilet bowl cleaner and the Dollar Tree one, the Works, to clean their grout, and it worked great for them, but it didn't work at all for me. So unfortunately, the grout on that corner was not giving, so I just moved on. Okay guys, so here's just some before and after shots of the video. If you can tell, my vanity is all clean. The whole bathroom just looks spotless now. I am so happy that I got it done. I hope that I motivated you guys to get up and clean with me. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next, or if there's a certain thing you want to see cleaned. If you could tell that grout, the difference in grout between the grout I didn't clean outside the bathroom and the grout in the bathroom, oh my goodness, what a difference, guys. So once again, guys, this is going to be a series, so tune in for part 5 next week. I think I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom and maybe using the KonMari method of folding. So check it out, turn on the bell, and I will see you next week.